In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide comments and all the different ways and types you can hide comments on your YouTube channel. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like the video for more. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is how you can hide comments. So the first method I'm gonna show you is how you can hide a specific comment or user. So you need to go to the specific comment you want to hide, click the three dots right here, and then you can remove this comment or hide the user from this channel. So all the comments from this username will be hidden. Then if you want to hide comments from a specific video, you can go to that video, then go to details and scroll down to the bottom where you will see the option to disable comments right here, and then just save the changes and no one will be able to comment on that video. And the last method to hide all the comments from your channel is going to settings, then community moderation and defaults, and right here you will see the comment settings where you can let them on or off. So this will disable the comments on your channel. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.